We're doing something, San Antonio. Welcome back to another episode of Doing Something San Antonio. I hope y'all's Thanksgiving was full of love and family and food and friends and great drinks. And while we're on, I guess, the topic of great food and drinks, I am so excited to introduce to you all the mother-daughter duo at Empower Nutrition, Michelle and Danielle.
Welcome to the club! My name is Danielle Allen. This is my amazing mother, Michelle. And we are the owners of Empower Nutrition 210 here in San Antonio. We basically started this club as a place for people to come and learn that healthy can be fun. Create a community of people who can really support each other. That's a background that we come from as a family, just with our dynamic. And I do the business full-time. I'm here. I love this place. This is my home. My mom does this part-time, so I'll let her say a little bit about herself.
I'm Michelle Boyer. I'm a teacher and a coach, and I do the business part-time. And my daughter and I, a couple years ago, just decided that we really wanted to have a space where we could empower people in our community, mostly women. And so we just run a lot of programs through here that support people who want to be on a health and wellness journey.
So I actually started my Herbalife health and wellness, mind, body, and soul journey about 7 years ago. I was just in a place where I needed a positive environment, and I was looking for some energy because, as we know, life can kind of get the best of us. Found an amazing group of people at a fit camp, and that basically led me into kind of finding myself again and being able to empower people. And we started doing workouts at a park. We were showing up with shakes and teas and serving it was mostly women, so serving the ladies, doing the workouts, and we really just found how much more can we do if we have a space. Because I've lost over 30 pounds in my wellness journey and gained about 24 pounds of muscle, and I wanted to be able to show somebody, here's a place where you can come and have that transformation and have that journey that you just have to say yes, and we'll basically take you along the way. So that was something that was really important to me, and my mom being a coach and a teacher, of course, that was like already in her blood with what she does. So I was taking the products, and I just basically wanted to bring her along, and then she's gotten her own amazing results. So
yeah, so about 4.5 years ago, I started taking Herbalife because my daughter had started the business, and I wanted to support her. And lo and behold, down 55 pounds, almost 5 years later. 2.5 years into the business full time and around my teaching and coaching job, and we decided to open the storefront, and we're 2 years strong now and really working on having a place to empower young women and a place where anybody can come and just get positive, happy vibes and have a healthy environment to come into, and just kind of take some ownership in that. And it's very near and dear to both our hearts, I think, to support people in the community in San Antonio. And we love this place, and we want to just reach out to everybody in the community. If you're looking for a place to come where it's healthy, happy, just a good vibe place to come hang out or come work out, or however that fits into your vibe, just come be part of what we do.
One of the things I love about the space that we've created too, that I think was really important for us just with our relationship, is that it's a family thing. So it's not something where you can't, bring your kids, or you can't do it with your husband or significant other. It's something where we have the kids come and they get to see their parents creating these healthy habits, and they get to exercise with them if they want to. Obviously with masks on because it's COVID, but just the environment of having family, because that was so important to us. And understanding that a lot of times the reason people either have success or don't have success is because of their family support system. So creating those healthy habits within the whole family and just teaching people that it's fun.
Advice or just someone to share, I don't know if it's wisdom or not, but don't take for granted that you have tomorrow. So if there's something you want to change in your life, do it. If you feel like you have an idea and you want to create a business, jump off the ledge, because something's going to catch you and it's going to be wonderful and amazing, and if you don't ever take that step, you're never going to know. And so whether that is with your health and wellness journey or something that you're looking to get into, I would just encourage you to take the chance, because none of us are guaranteed tomorrow.
Yeah, okay, let me take some notes. I think mine would be just as far as like entrepreneur to entrepreneur, don't worry about who's gonna come to the space that you create. Create the space that you want, and the right audience and the right people for you are gonna come. I know when I first started, like, I was always so worried about what people are gonna think of, or is my family gonna be, you know, proud or whatever. And I've met some of the most amazing people that I didn't know before I got into this space that now are my friends, are my family, you know, all those kinds of things. So the people will come, create the space, and it'll be great. So.
Power Nutrition, we have our little rituals we do every week. So we have workouts on Monday and Wednesday nights at 7 p.m. We have Friday Build Your Booty Fit Camp, and we have a Saturday morning full body fitness. Everyone's welcome to join us. Of course, with COVID stuff, it's RSVP. We also do some specialty days here in the shop. Like on Wednesdays, we have our Wow Shakes, which is a cool, really scrumptious shake. On Sundays, we do waffles. During the week, we have protein donuts and protein bundt cakes. So come check it out. Tuesdays are 2 Tea Tuesdays. You get half off the second tea. So bring a friend.
Also, with just getting into from one holiday to another, something that we've created is our monthly challenge. So this is a little more personal. If you want a specified like meal plan, you want some step-by-step guidance to reach your goals, we do a monthly women's group. It's just an empowerment group full of support. We do workouts, meal tips, all that kind of stuff. So we do it on a month-to-month basis. So right after Thanksgiving, obviously we're getting into December. So it's a great time to enroll. If that's something you're looking for, you can definitely reach out to us, and we'll match you up with a coach, and make sure that you get put on the right track for that and just get to be a part of the group. And it's phenomenal. So I would definitely recommend it.
Okay. I stand. I love Michelle and Danielle so freaking much. These two ladies, just their aura, how they go about their business. I loved how every single person that walked in, Danielle and Michelle knew them by name, knew their order. Amazing, amazing, full of life, full of just joy and happiness, and you can feel it. And they're just not one of those businesses where you kind of feel weird being in. It's one of those businesses where it's like, come in, join the family, join the community, and I loved them. I just love that there's also like a community behind it all. I love that they have like women empowerment, like monthly camps, and they have workouts hosted in their own shop. Like, overall, Empower Nutrition, from the gals to the good. Recommend 10, 10, 10 to the utmost highest recommendation. Michelle and Danielle, it was a pleasure. Truly, y'all were such amazing gals, such cool vibes. The fact that y'all can work together and not want to kill each other is just amazing and inspiring in itself. I really, really enjoyed my time with you guys. I love y'all's product. I think that y'all got a really, really cool just community vibe, just the whole package going. And I'm super excited to visit you all more in the future and hopefully work out super, super soon because your girl needs it too. But I hope you all enjoyed episode 11, it's freaking episode 11 of Doing Something San Antonio. I am really, really enjoying this series, learning more about all these small businesses, all these amazing owners, especially in Power Nutrition. You guys were amazing, and especially a great way to kind of start the holiday season now that Thanksgiving is done and now holiday is starting. So I hope you'll had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you'll have a great rest of your weekend, and I love all of you all so much.
Stop really quick. Which I like to look.